Hello, welcome to Cooking Channel with Mata. Let's see together how to prepare a ceremonial rice with meat that has a delicious taste and a soft, tasty texture. I promise you won't regret it if you make it once with the recipe I'll tell you later. First, we need fresh leg meat. I used 1 kilo of meat, 50 grams of butter, 3 tablespoons of brewed saffron, half a cup of liquid oil, 2 medium cloves of garlic. Just wash the garlic, there's no need to peel them. 4 large onions. I used onions equal to the amount of meat, meaning 1 kilo. Lots of onions are the secret to your delicious rice with meat. Then, 2 pieces of cinnamon stick and also 5 peeled garlic cloves. I used a slice of fresh ginger. You can use ginger powder. For seasoning and spices, we need a teaspoon of paprika, black pepper, turmeric, and a teaspoon of coriander powder. We also need 5 cardamom pods punctured with a knife along with 1½ cups of water. Slice the onions julienne style as shown in the video. Put some of the sliced onions into a suitable pot. Now, add some salt over the onions, then place the meat on the onions and add more onions again. Then place the garlic cloves on both sides of the pot, followed by the peeled garlic. Add the spices, cinnamon and ginger. Also add the butter and brewed saffron. Finally, add the mentioned amount of oil along with water and close the pot lid. Place the pot on the heat. First, increase the heat to bring it to a boil. Then, be sure to lower the heat and allow time for your meat to be fully cooked and soft. The cooking time may vary depending on the type of meat. To ensure the meat is well cooked and settled and has a fluffy texture when you pierce it with a fork, I allowed 4 hours. After the stated time has passed and the meat is fully cooked, at the end of cooking, taste your rice with meat and add salt as needed. Transfer it to your serving dish and enjoy it with plain rice or broad bean rice. This meat and onion sauce is extremely delicious without being sauteed. Just like that, you will have the most flavorful ceremonial rice with meat that is completely soft and juicy. Enjoy! The cookbook version is in the link in my bio. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks!